YouTube, what's up? JP here. We're back again with another tool review in our mini fabrication shop. So today we're bringing you the Harbor Freight Shrinker Stretcher. So $149.99 at our local Harbor Freight. I'm sure it's pretty much the same at any Harbor Freight. It does not come with a stand. It comes with a rod. A leverage rod, looks something like this. This will normally go in here. And usually you can buy a base stand that goes in your vise or bolt these down. There's two bolts here. You can usually set those up. A lot of guys do it in a vise, but this stand we picked up from, it's called Legacy Tools and Restoration Supplies on eBay. Kind of walk you guys around real quick, take a look at the overall build quality. Comes with little casters for the stand, really nice adjustable rods with a locking capture nut there, heavy duty springs, really nice operating system. So yeah, we'll go ahead and show you guys how this thing works and get this video started. So our current setup is the yellow is our stretcher, the black is our shrinker. I had a piece of scrap 1/8 inch steel lying around. You guys can see the jaws grab really nicely. We have our stretch side and our shrunk side, so we're actually making ourselves a concave and convex. If you look at the gap there, this is how much, and this is actually probably a little too thick of material for these machines, but they seem to be able to handle it just fine. You can see rocking back and forth there. So we'll do a little demonstration here. This is just a quick video of ways to save money. Again, the Harbor Freight Shrinker Stretcher. It's $149.99, and the Legacy Tools and Restoration Supplies stand was on eBay. The most inexpensive stand. I think there's one on Viver that might be around the same price, maybe a little cheaper, but this was a little more pricey. This was $249, so we're looking at a $400 setup here, but again, you don't have to have the stand. It does give you a little bit more leverage, and it does make things a little bit easier. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see how much more bend we can get out of this for you guys. We'll show you the stand in use. I know there's been complaints about these cheaper shrinker stretchers jaws not working, but I think that comes down to luck of the draw, because these ones seem to grab just fine and really work really well. That was our stretching. Now we're gonna go over to our shrinker. Kind of between the concrete here. Let's go ahead and use these caster wheels to move this thing onto one piece of concrete so we get less movement there. Oh yeah. Whew, look at that. You see, I mean, just with short work, how much larger that gap already is. So again, about 400 bucks for this complete setup. All right, you guys. If you guys like this kind of content, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. It really helps project the channel forward. If you want to see these new tools in action, follow along on some of our builds. We're doing the 77 Toyota Celica build, the Franken Yoda series. We're doing all our own patch panel work, metal work on that. We'll be putting the new English wheel, the shrinker stretcher to work on those things. So if you guys want to kind of follow along, learn metal fabrication with us, that's something we're passionate about learning. So just hit that like, smash that subscribe. Stay tuned till the next one, guys.